Hello, Foster Gervini, your main man here. First thing first, go up here to Cash in Daily. Make sure you go the right side. Cash in Daily is between dashes, between the words. You will start to earn from 100 to 500 a day. You will understand, how to use the system. So today is a lovely day, and look at this. Tuesday. You know, if you don't know me, I've been working online since 10 years full time, and it hasn't been so easy. It has been up and down. And it's not like what people tell you, to make you join anything. There is up and down, but of course I will never go back to work because the freedom, the freedom has no price. When you give your hours to a job or something, it's really I was feeling in jail 12 years ago. So right now, since over 10 years full time, I'm free, and for me, I will never go back, because this is really a lifestyle that I love. So today is Tuesday, and the subject today is how to run your business, any business, on autopilot. Okay, so whatever business you are in, affiliate marketing, direct sell, whatever, you must have a system in place, an automation in place. So you can have the best product in the world. Some people have a holy water, who makes the dead work again, but they haven't got any system. They haven't got any system to sell, to sell and to duplicate and replicate their team, because you can only speak with certain amount of people every day. You cannot speak with 1,000 people every day. You must have a system in place. Okay, just like here that I have Cash in Daily, it's completely automated, so you can be on holiday, you can be everywhere, and you can build your team in whatever business you're in. You just have to need to learn the skills. When you go up here, you'll be able to learn the skills because it's all automated. So sometimes you try to build a team or something, and you can only have 1 hour for one person or 1 hour for another person. When you use system like this on Cash in Daily, it's all automated. So the people are trained. The people have explained about the business, and the people that grow up and you duplicate, because the real money are not in Bitcoin or whatever. Yes, I love those crypto and everything. The real money are in duplication. As I'm talking to you, I may have different teams in different companies, and different having tools, selling tools, and people that keep on using it, and this is a duplication. So if you got the downline, you got 2,000 people, something like that, you got maybe 2,000 hours working for you, and this is there is no comparison or anything. So but you must have a system in place. So how do you put any business on autopilot? If you got a leader, a good leader, go and ask him, go and ask her, if they know what the hell they're doing. And sorry about the sunshine. And if you haven't got it, you better ask someone who knows what he's doing. You can go up here on Cash in Daily, and you see how a system works while you're here, and you got maybe 100 leads, 200 leads, 300 leads, prospect coming, watching on your business, replicate and duplicate their business, even if they're newbie. There are the money there. Okay, the product must be something every marketer, every successful entrepreneur needs, and then it's done. Okay, it's so easy, but people love to complicate things. Okay, so the answer is, how do you put your business on autopilot? You must have a system made by a professional. At least 7 or 8 figure earner must be create this system. Don't try to create it yourself. You're going to waste your time and your money. Okay, so you must have a system in place in whatever business you are. Even if you got a business and you ain't got a system, go up here on Cash in Daily. You see how high figure earners works, and that's so you will grow up. Okay, so you can live the life you want. Okay, if you just want a couple $100 a month, this is not for you. Okay, it's just just like you have just another job. Okay, so I don't want to take much of your time. It's 2 o'clock p.m. I haven't eaten yet. I will go to the restaurant now. And I wish you a lovely day. And remember, be the best in whatever you do.